past my girl. It's such a blessing, girl. Put up for the rest of my life. A blessing, girl. A blessing, blessing. Yeah, such a blessing.
What's up, love gang? It's the girl trying to love, and I'm back at it again with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my friend's hair, nails, and toes for her birthday. This is not a tutorial. It was more like just like a process video, so keep on watching to see how I did all three of them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So the first thing I'm showing you guys is how I did these knotless braids. I'm just the best friend to have in the world because I do all of it, and you can just come to me for everything. So I did her nails, I did her toes, then her nails, and then her hair. But I'm gonna just insert the hair first because I mostly do hair on this channel, so y'all gonna see how I did the hair first. These are just like some jumbo knotless braids with curly pieces hanging out from it, and I did them super long, super cute. And this is not really a tutorial, but you guys can just look at what I'm doing. I'm sorry if you guys were expecting a tutorial, but the nails and the toes were time-lapsed. This is just like a process video. It's nothing really tutorial-y. If you guys want tutorials on it, I'll be glad to do them. If you guys would like to see how I do my knotless braids in an actual tutorial, there is one up on my channel, and I'm going to put it in the cards up above, so you can just click that to watch it whenever you're done with this video. If y'all want to learn how to do knotless braids the Rashana Love way, then you already know what to do. Whatever the case is, I wish I got to record like at least the second braid of me doing it, but my camera ended up overheating, and I'm so sick of it. Something about this G7X Mark III that's cursed, bro. Like, I'm so sorry I spent my money on it. It's not all of that. Like, I'm sorry, it's not all of that. I could have just stayed with my little iPhone camera, which is bomb as hell. But the only reason I got the only reason I bought a camera is because of the fact that I was always running out of space. Like, I never had space when I was recording. There's always be like, oh, no storage, no storage, no storage. But I'm having a problem with overheating. Like, I don't like that. Like, stop doing that. It's okay. So I did them dumb long. Well, it wasn't dumb long, but it was like thigh length or whatever the case is. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Because it's just lit over here. You'll love it here. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you guys liked the video. This was super cute. I love doing everything. It was super fun as well. Like, I just love it here. I love this. This is my calling. I'm convinced this is my calling. And I don't know why I'm in college, but it's okay. It's okay. I gotta get a plan B. So I'm not gonna just stick to doing hair. I'm gonna have a career as well as doing hair and stuff like that. Please excuse my attire because your girl is looking like a bomb, certified bomb. But what I'm doing right now is I'm separating the hair onto this little yarn rack thingy. If you guys want to purchase one of these, just type in hair separator on Amazon, and they be doing everything. They have everything on Amazon. I don't know how to know if this is for hair, because this is really for yarn or something like that, or thread. But if you type in hair separator on Amazon, you're gonna find it, and that's the bomb. So yes. And it makes the process so easier because you don't have to stop to separate the hair all the time, which is really great. And as you guys can see, I started recording doing this, but then I got a notification like camera overheating. Like, bro, who are you to overheat? But yes, so basically what you do is you start braiding with the real hair, then you insert hair. It's gonna cut off in a few because it's gonna stop recording, but I can explain a little bit. Start braiding with the real hair, then you will add pieces section by section, and at that point that's where the video cut off. But here's a little boomerang and picture. It's a little slow, that's why the boomerang looks so funny. But now it's time for the time lapse of me finishing the hair. I feel like this is everything but a tutorial. Like, it's really not. Like, it wasn't meant to be a tutorial, and I didn't want it to be a tutorial. It's just like a video, a little chill video, kick back, you know, talk to you guys a little bit, talk your head off. I like talking, guys. If it's one thing about me, I'm a talk. Like, I love talking. I was always like a good student in school and stuff, but I used to get in trouble for talking. Like, at parent-teacher conferences, bro, they'll just be like, your Shana's a great student, but she just talks a lot. She's very talkative. She's a social butterfly. Like, girl, get off my back. But I'm shy, though. But once I know you and stuff, I'm gonna talk your head off rip. Like, oh my goodness. I know people be tired of me sometimes, but oh well. Life goes on. I'm way off topic. That's how much I talk. Like, I be going way off topic and shit. But it's okay. Hopefully you guys don't mind. And excuse how my room looked in this video. It looked messy as hell and it's bothering me. But don't even judge me. Please don't. Honestly, I don't care if people judge me, but I'm just saying in general. People judge me all the time. And people are gonna judge you no matter what. So, shit. If you guys have video suggestions, feel free to comment them down below, because at this point, I'm tired of doing hair videos. Like, I was gonna do like a clothing haul and stuff. I could still do that. I'm gonna do that really soon. I'm definitely gonna do some everyday makeup tutorials for sure, because I like doing makeup too. But what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to tame those curly pieces. I did dip the hair in some hot water as usual, and then to tame the curly pieces, I did raise them out a little bit, and I also put mousse on every single strand to just make it look a little nama and not so puffy. Yeah, I know all gotta tell y'all the downside to hairstyles. This hairstyle will get tangled really fast because those pieces are synthetic. You can buy bundles and cut it so you can use it, but I don't really think that's worth the money. Just take this shit out when it's tangled. And that's it. Now this is the finished product. It was mad cute. Parts were dumb straight. Don't play with me because I'm not one of them at all. Like, I don't play that part game at all. But yes, it was a mad cute. I loved everything about it. This is another video of it. It's a little longer, and she's a little slow, so she was like, which way? Like, girl, to the back. I just said to the back. Let me stop. But yes, look at it. I didn't like how that didn't separate, but it's okay. It's okay. Onto the nails. I'm using the Mia Secret nail system, and what I did, I came out here with the nails already on the nails, and now I'm filing them and shaping, getting that shape how it needs to be. Crystal and clear. Yo, I've watched nail tutorials for a while, and they always use 180 files. Get some 80 files, and you're gonna shape so good. But be careful because they're really sharp and they can cut the person. So be careful. But 80 nail files work way faster and they're better. Okay, so now I'm cutting up a dollar bill because I was doing like these money nails. They were inspired from this person on Instagram. This is the look I was going for. I know it doesn't look exactly like that, but I don't like to do exactly what I see. I just take the idea and I put my own touches into it. The pieces I chose to cut out were the face, that little green circle, and like some of like those flower structures on them. They were so cute, and I never realized that those were on the dollar bill. Now I'm cutting up some gold pieces to put on one nail. Started off with some clear acrylic, then put in some pink to overlap it. It's not a tutorial at all. It's not. I wish I had a tutorial on it because it's a really good nail design, and I don't know nails that much. I stopped doing nails low-key, but I might start back sometime because I changed my room around and I have to get like a proper section for it to do nails and shit. So if you guys want a nail tutorial, I have a nail tutorial on my channel, very descriptive. You can check the cards up above as well. But yes, this was so cute, and I'm just really bummed I didn't get a tutorial. Like, it's breaking my heart because this was too cute. I loved how this came out, but everything happens for a reason. Not everything happens for a reason, but yes, it's a reason, probably a reason why I didn't get a tutorial. I don't know, but don't worry, I'm gonna have some more nail tutorials on my channel when I start doing nails again. I was thinking, would you guys ever do money nails with $100 bill? Like, just give $100 bill and cut it up and stuff. That's some rich people shit for real though. And I just feel like no matter how rich I get, I would never cut up no $100 bill like that. I'd rather donate it or something. But I was trying to do those like oval nails, like, you know, like what do you call those, like French tips or whatever the case is. I was doing that, whatever. It's some reason like my shit don't come out how it's supposed to. Like, it don't be real right oval how it should be. But it's whatever, because I'm still blonde as fuck. So what? Okay. To get those money pieces on there, what I did was I took some Mia Secret gel resin and then I just pasted it on there, because I found that last time I did money nails to try to put it on with the acrylic, it just wasn't working because the acrylic wasn't holding it down enough. And after that, you just cover it with some clear acrylic to make sure that it stays protected when you're drilling and all that good jazz. Now I'm filing, making sure that to straighten up the shape. I'm gonna drop a dusty nail file right now. Womp. Follow me on Instagram at Rashana.love. Period. Who do y'all know do hair, makeup, nails, all of that? And I'm about to start doing tattoos too, so don't play with me, okay? Nah, but I just feel like cosmetology is that as my thing. Like, I don't know. I really feel like it, cause it's like this genuinely makes me happy. Like, really though. But I'm in school studying and I don't know what I want to major in yet. Like, I'm currently majoring in clinical laboratory science, but I think I might change to radiation therapy. I'm just doing anything at this point. But this is the finished look. Like, that was a huge convo jump. But now I'm on to doing the toes. So the first thing you guys see me doing is taking my drill and going ahead and removing the natural shine from the toes. Now I'm applying some nail tips. Doing nails and toes are really no different. It's all the same methods. You can use nail tips on your toes because you just need tips. Like, it's no difference. Don't even put too much thought into it. You're just doing the same thing, and it's even easier too because you don't have to like file as much and shape as much because you're not doing very, very, very long toenails. Now I'm filing it with my 80/80 nail file as per usual. Going back in with my drill. This is not meant to be a tutorial, as I'm saying once again, so everything is time-lapsed, but I did slow it down a little bit. The acrylic system I'm using is Mia Secret as always, and to get this pink shade I did mix acrylics. So I used a pink shade, I can't remember the name of it, I used clear, and I used white from Mia Secret. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box down below. The exact set I got the pink shade from in Mia Secret will be in the description box down below. Now I'm just applying them, and at this point my back was killing me because I did soak her feet before this, but I didn't record it. So I laid down to do her toes. Like, just look how I was chilling. Like, my back was killing me. That's why I do not do toes, because for one, I'm not a scornful person, but I just can't stomach certain things, and some people's feet, you have to really know what you're doing to really get it how it's supposed to be. I didn't record the whole thing, just the part where I was applying the acrylic, because after I was done applying the acrylic, I just filed it as I always file, so I didn't feel a need to record the whole thing. So the second reason I don't do feet is because my back will be hurting a lot. Oh, I did get a video of me filing, but it wasn't long. Now I'm just going ahead and doing them white little the white little lines at the top. So the first thing I did was I did use a top coat on, not a top coat, the base coat, and now I'm taking some gel polish that I have to do the lines, and I'm using this nail art brush. It's like a really long thin brush, and that's really all to it, guys. This is the finished product for the toes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.